This is Adrian.
And Levi Arnold, and we are getting ready to show what we did on the introduction to that word.
You know what we're talking about.
Spectroscopy. Anyway, we're showing how we figured it out. We were given some data here, and we were told it was a 3-3-1 ratio, which told that was 3 hydrogens. We looked at the chart to figure out approximately what the shifts were, and then we counted up the splitting or the grouping of the peaks, and then subtracted by 1. So this peak had 2, and we took it -1. This one had 1, we took it -1. This one had 4, and we took it -4. And then based off that, we kind of guessed on what we were looking at because this had 3 hydrogens. We thought that would be a CH3. This one had 3, so we thought it would be a CH3. And since that was a 1, we thought that would be a CH1. We also figured that these two would be right next to each other because this is a CH3 wanting to be next to 1, and this is a CH wanting to be next to 3, so those would be next to each other. So that was a good starting point. The other thing I forgot to say is we were also we were given the formula, so we figured out the degrees of unsaturation first, and we figured that there was 1 degree of unsaturation, showing that it'd either be a ring or a double bond. So we started off with what we knew. We knew a CH3 was next to a CH, so that's where we started here. And then we just knew that there was also a Cl and an O in there somewhere, and we also knew there was a missing carbon because the formula said a C4, and we only had 3 groups, which meant that there was 1 carbon that didn't have it. So after just some manipulating around, making sure everything was good, we did come up with this formula, or this picture of it, and we liked it because these were next to each other like we wanted them to be. This CH3, which was B here, so that it'd be next to 0 hydrogens, and since it's next to a carbonyl, that put it next to 0. And it matched up with our shifting, it matched up with our splitting, and it matched up with the NMR ranges.
Couldn't have said better myself.